Good morning. So this morning I'd like to talk about how we can move gently into 2019. This time of year is full of blogs and workshops and coaches like me encouraging you to set intentions, to set your goals, to live intentionally. And I'll be talking about my workshops in a moment. But also I think it's important to move gently into the new year. If you're anything like me, you'll already be panicking, you'll be feeling anxious, you'll have this to-do list and you'll be thinking, oh, it's already January the 2nd or January the 3rd and I haven't done some of the things that I wanted to get done. So I believe that when we're in that anxious, panicky state, when we allow that anxiety to rule our minds and our lives, then we don't think clearly, we don't accomplish the things we want to accomplish. And if we do accomplish them, we accomplish them with self-harm, with overworking, with stress, with binge eating, all of which I am familiar with. So how can we move gently into 2019? So I believe that we can try and get outdoors every day for a small amount of time, or for a longer amount of time, whatever you can manage. Now, I know some of you will be thinking, I don't have time. I speak to a lot of women who say, I don't have time to get outdoors every day, and I don't have time to do mindfulness meditation 10 minutes every morning. But I believe that we have a choice. We have a choice as to how we spend our time. Now, some of us have more time than others. Some of us have to care for young children or elderly parents. But there is always a choice. It is a difficult choice for many of us. It might mean asking for help. It might mean expressing our vulnerabilities. It might mean saying that we can't cope, but there is always a choice. So trying to get outdoors every day for a little bit of sunlight, very important at this time of year, and some fresh air. Exercise, of course, is wonderful. And try and incorporate a little bit of mindfulness. So use an app like Headspace or Mindfulness. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you can manage. I'd really encourage you to bring that into your day. Journaling is really helpful to help you connect with your feelings, to understand what's really going on for you, because I believe when we operate from that place of connection to ourselves, to our intuition, then things go so much better. So I've come down here this morning to begin to move gently into 2019. There are so many things I could have done, could have got started on many things, but I decided to walk on the beach, not run this morning because my body's a bit achy after many long drives over Christmas. So I did some walking, some stretching, and just really soaking up the atmosphere and trying to encourage a sense of calm in myself. I'm not a naturally calm person. I am a naturally anxious person. I am a worrier. But if I can every day, if I can make the choice to try and live from a place of calm, then I believe that everything that I do will go so much better. So I do have some of those workshops that I talked about, but I hope to deliver them from a place of peace, from a place of balance, from a place of connection to my intuition, and encouraging you to do the same. So if you can join me on Thursday, January the 3rd between 1 and 2 for an online workshop, that would be wonderful. Create the life and love that you want in 2019. And then I'm in London on Tuesday, January the 15th for Relight Your Fire, Find Your Passion and Purpose in 2019. If you go to howtofallinlove.co.uk and click on events, then you will find all my workshops. You will also see the links attached to this video. So thank you very much for watching, and wishing you a calm, peaceful, balanced and joyful 2019.